Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2012 Ford Focus SE Hatchback, stock number B9731B. 78,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Sterling gray metallic in color. Focus seats 5. Cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SE has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors. Large, easy-to-read gauges, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, easy-to-operate radio and CD player, as well as heating and air conditioning, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, heated front seats, great for those cold winter days, storage in the armrest, and a spacious glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Focus has a 2-liter, 4-cylinder, 160 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy. EPA average of 27 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 37 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Focus, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.